Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our group will present about algebra of application in factory raw material and production balance. Okay, first, our group member is Muhammad Khairizwan bin Muhammad Khair. Second, Sheikh Nazirul Haizal bin Sheikh Muazzar. Third, Muhammad Nazmi bin Muhammad Najib. And Muhammad Akmal bin Muhammad Zahra. We will show how to apply algebra to calculate uh, resources consumption and demand for product in raw material and production balance.
Linear algebra can be used as a business tool to help business have general insight. Using linear algebra, they can create a meaningful figure to assist them in their resource planning. In this report, we have found the use of matrices to find the balance between resource consumption and demand for the products to find the balance that will let business plan ahead. In our test case, the business produced raw and semi-complete products for exports. These products consist of three general types, which is wood, plastic, and metal. For example, to make certain wood product, wood, plastic, and metal are required to produce a semi-complete product such as wood plank, where the frame is made of metal and plastic is used to cover the sharp corners. Therefore, we can make a matrix to show material resources needed to make a single product. From the table above, we can turn it into an augmented matrix. The demand for each products are also needed to be known in order to find the balance, which in our case is wood, which has 300 demand, plastic 500, metal 700. We can also turn the demands into matrix form.
Okay, our first objective is to find number of raw material produced for each type, which are woods, plastics, and metals. To make a product, we should know the quantity of wood, plastic, and metals that needed to make sure the raw materials that we can produce. The second one is to determine the amount of material resources needed to make a single product. To fulfill the demand of a product, the amount of material resources should be the priority to start a product, and we can apply algebra method to calculate the amount of material resources. And the third one, our objective is to further understand the application of methods in algebra. There are a few methods of algebra that we can use to apply, and which application is suitable for our case study. Therefore, we can enhance our understanding of methods in algebra.
So, for the next part of this presentation, I will be explaining about the calculation. So, the first step is to augment with a 3 by 3 identity matrix. So, from there, we insert the numbers of the matrix and we use the row echelon form by cancelling the leading coefficient in row 2 and row 3. So what we can see here is we did the row echelon form and reduce to the respected step. So the next part is we have to multiply rows by constant, which is row 3 uh, less than 4.53781 in order to satisfy the row echelon form. So as you can see here, we try to reduce the numbers to the respected uh, pattern, which is 10001 or 0014. So the next step is we repeat the previous step and cancel the leading coefficient in row 2 by performing row 2 plus 0.475 times row 3. So from there we can uh, rewrite the numbers and repeat the process until the echelon form is completely reduced. Finally, we rewrite the inverse metric from the right of the augmented matrix in orderly manner. So that's for my part.
As a conclusion, we can find that linear algebra is very useful in our daily life. In our case study, we have shown that it can help in economics aspect for decision-making process. By doing logical calculation, we will have a hint on the correct decision to do. We are sure that there are many more ways to apply linear algebra to help us in our daily life. For example, we apply the method to calculate the production from raw material resources to make products. Lastly, this project helped us to understand the benefit of learning the linear algebra and show us how to apply it in our daily life.